Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I've got an episode that literally has just come out of my brain. We love Taco Bell. It's our favorite fast food place, me, my wife, my kids, and I've been wanting to do a Taco Bell smash burger for a long time, so today I'm going to do it. I don't expect you to recreate this. It's probably going to be pretty complex, and there's an ingredient here, at least one, that most people won't have, but this is just something I wanted to do, get my creative brain out, make this burger. I love smash burgers. I love Taco Bell. I'm going to make them one today. Let's get started. Now, before I get started on this episode today, I want to let you know about a channel that's caught my attention that's just starting out. My friend Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue has a channel that's only a few months old. He's only got a couple hundred subscribers, and he reminds me of myself when I started filming with his phone and just trying to get his ideas and creativity out there. But I'm going to tell you what, he makes some delicious looking stuff, and I'd appreciate it if you'd go over to his channel, check him out. If you like what you see, hit that sub button, show Tommy a little bit of support. All right, on to this recipe. Now, some of you might know I'm friends with Greg over at Ballistic Barbecue, and I've been talking about doing this burger with him on the phone on and off for many, many months. One of the things that was stopping me was just me not being able to get my creative brain going and know exactly what I want to do. And I'm still a little bit undecided today, but I think I finally got something that I'm willing to go with. And I'm excited to share this with you. Now again, I'm just gonna put this together. This is not gonna be an exact recipe because no such recipe exists. I'm just taking all my favorite ingredients that I love from Taco Bell, and I'm gonna make something and I'm gonna share it with you. So let me show you what I'm working with. Okay, so this smash burger is gonna be made up of two roughly quarter-pound patties. This ground beef came from Matador Meats. Matador Meats has provided some meat for our channel on various videos. They have high quality premium meats. I'll put a link down in the description so that you can check them out. But I want to thank Matt for sending this out so that I could do this episode. So here's everything that I'm working with. Again, we've got our patties here, which we're going to be smashing down, and I'm going to be using the Ballistic Burger Smasher for that. I've got cheddar cheese. I've got chopped onion. You know Taco Bell has chopped onion. We have got some Taco Bell taco seasoning. I've got some Taco Bell creamy chipotle sauce. I've got my favorite sauce from Taco Bell, which is fire sauce. And this ingredient right here, well, this is nacho fry seasoning, which probably not a lot of other people have. I got a hold of some. What I've decided to do is I'm gonna start with the base of mayonnaise, and I'm gonna combine ingredients, make a sauce, then we're gonna make this burger, and we're gonna put that sauce on top. So let's get started making that sauce first. Okay, so I'm starting with a base of mayo here. Now you can use sour cream if you want. I just like mayo better for burgers, and this is what I decided to go with. So let's add some of this stuff in. We're gonna start by adding our creamy chipotle to this. Now I'd say we started with about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo. This is about maybe 2 tablespoons of our creamy chipotle. Now, a lot of fire sauce. My favorite sauce from Taco Bell. This is probably 10 packets, who knows? The more the merrier. Now to this I'm going to add about a half a tablespoon of Taco Bell brand taco seasoning, and we're going to go with about a tablespoon of the nacho fry seasoning. You know what, let's do a little more. Alright, let's mix this up. Alright, very well mixed. I'm going to sneak a little taste in on this. That is seriously good. This is going to go great on the burger. All right, we're going to get this stuff into a squeeze bottle. I'm going to get the griddle preheated. We're doing this on the Blackstone if I haven't already told you that. So it's going to be a great burger. It's cold outside. Get a jacket, get a hat. I'll meet you guys out on the porch, and let's put this together. Staying warm out here while we do this. You guys ready? Let's start with these patties. All right, patty 1. Patty 2. Just spreading these out a little bit. Okay, time to smash. Now when you do a smash burger, not only do you want a proper smasher, Not only do you want to use parchment paper, but you want to hold this down for 10 to 15 seconds if you're really looking for that sear that makes a smash burger what it is. Alright, that's number one. Let's get the second one done. Very nice. Okay, now I want to get a light toast on this bun, so we're going to do that. And I'm also going to try to treat you guys with something here if it works. And season these burgers with a little bit of Taco Bell taco seasoning. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to drop some of this nacho fry seasoning on there too. Now, let's see if we can do a couple of cheese skirts for these burgers. Okay, now these burgers have color coming around the sides. There's juices up on top. It's time to flip. Beautiful sear. Now our bun has a nice toast. Alright, I think this one's ready. So let's fold that baby right on top of that burger. Absolutely beautiful. That one folded up on me a bit. So, problem solved. Okay, we're going to start with our bottom bun. And we're going to lay some shredded lettuce down here at the bottom. Okay, patty one. Patty two. Now our sauce that we made. Some nice chopped onion. And our crown. All right, let's take this bad boy inside and give it a shot. Okay, I present to you my proposal to Taco Bell. Now you can see I set this up, I took my thumbnail shot. It's time to cut into this bad boy and see how good we did. All right, here we go. It's time to cut into this. I was gonna throw a little bit more fire sauce on top of here, but you know, it's so beautiful the way it is that I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this thing open the way it is, and let's see how we did. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. Check out those layers. The sauce is really what makes this. I can tell you just from smelling it. I mean, it's just fantastic. So I was able to combine all my ingredients that I wanted to into this sauce to kind of make this a little bit easier. I'm really looking forward to trying this. Let's do it. Here we go. Cheers. Oh my God. This might be the best burger I've ever made. It seriously might be the best burger I've ever made. That sauce we made just pops. Those crispy edges on that burger, that sear. The lettuce gives you that little bit of extra crunch. The onions really finish it off. I wanted to choose a better bun for this, but the store was limited with what they had, and this actually turned out to work fine. This seriously, this might just be my favorite burger I ever made. I mean, just look at that. That's insane. That's good, man. I hope I can beep that out. Taco Bell, I hope you see this video. Seriously hope that you'll try to make a burger someday. I know they used to make one a long time ago called the Del Beefer. I think that's what Greg told me over at Ballistic Barbecue when we talked about this. This burger is outstanding. I screwed up that one cheese skirt. Sorry about that. I'm not perfect. I didn't put enough cheese in there, I think, and it just didn't flow right, but I fixed it, added cheese. It all eats the same, and it was delicious. Don't forget to check us out on social media. I'm on all the platforms. I've got a group on Facebook, Everyday Barbecue Group. All right, that's it for today. This was just something that I wanted to create on my own. Speaking of creations, I want to thank my friend Steve. He's a fellow volunteer for our local baseball league. Steve is a woodworker as a hobby. So I'm not telling you this because I want you to buy anything from him because he doesn't sell things, okay? But Steve made me this handmade Everyday Barbecue sign. Everything you see there is handmade, painted, clear coated, and it's just probably the nicest thing that anybody's ever made for me. So Steve, I want to thank you very much for taking the time to do that for me and for the channel. It means a lot. I hope everybody enjoyed this cook. I know I did. I'm going to enjoy more finishing this burger right now. Take care. Till next time. I'll see you all on the next episode.